farm program, we basically just tell them how we're taking care of the cows and making them comfortable, keeping them clean water, the best feed we can provide. We just want to keep them happy and so they do good. It's good for everybody.
A lot of stuff out there that's not true about farmers. And, you know, we love our cows and we love our land.
Yeah, I mean, we live our life what's best for the cows and the land because that's what everybody depends on. We're not just doing it for us, it's what everybody needs.
Yeah, I guess you could say we kind of handle the cows with kids' gloves on, I guess. We take very good care of them.
We tell everybody, buy Prairie Farms because it's the best, because we know it is, because we're putting it out there.